Got a couple of young King Parrots here this morning. These are they. The one over there we believe is Mrs Kingy, partner of Mr Kingy, oddly enough. She's been coming now also quite a few years with Mr Kingy. But these are the interesting pair. These are two youngsters. Can't tell yet if they're male or female, as all youngsters are born greenish. The transformation will only start a few weeks later. But it's nice to see. There you go, all three. That's Mrs Kingy in the far right. Or was that the junior over the far right? That's the problem at this stage. They're all green, so it's very hard to tell. I'd say that's Mrs Kingy just flew off. So these are the two youngsters here. And we have a young male, as I videoed last week or a few days ago and took photos, who's already gone through the transformation. But it's a bit early to tell at the moment if these are female or male. And of course the obligatory lorikeets. Nice way to start a spring morning. Okay.